Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little background on one of my favorite parts of the office, the hallway. So this hallway is really a labor of love. Susan's brother Chris did the floors. He did this brick wall, and then one of the hard parts about the project, I had to explain it to the staff, so I had to share my vision with Susie. We had a huge thing of bricks come, half brick faces, and then after the bricks were in, he had to put all this in, which was not easy. And then you can also see the hallway as the doors went in, sliding doors, and of course, pictures of some of my favorite people are up now. So we'll have some lighting in, but that is the hallway. Thanks so much, and stay beautiful.